Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen problem easy and quick. First, click here and type run, and then you will type app data and click OK, and go for local, scroll down and you will find here Valorant. Right click on it and click delete. After that just scroll up and here you will find the right games folder, double click on it and then you will find Valorant. Just do the same thing, right click and then click delete. After that you will have to look for Valorant file location. I have it here on disk D, and here it is, Valorant live, and then you have to remove these two files, right click and delete. Now try to open it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then it might be from Vanguard, so just try to reinstall it. Type here apps and features, and so type Vanguard. Now click uninstall, and after that open Valorant, and it might ask you to restart your computer, so just restart it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.